name's Tim Crossley. I'm the Executive Director of Mayur Resources. Mayur's a PNG focused development company, Australian stock exchange listed on the ASX, but actually we're a Singapore domiciled company. Our headquarters are in Brisbane, but our focus is 100% in Papua New Guinea. Yeah, sure. I mean, one of the reasons we're in PNG is we just saw a great opportunity there. It's underexplored. It's well known for discoveries, particularly in the copper gold sector. LNG and gas has obviously become a big part of the growth in PNG. So we back in sort of 2011, 2012, hired a geologist by the name of Tom Charlton. Tom had been working in PNG for the mines department, collating the mineral inventory to take the PNG system from a paper-based system to an online system. Tom obviously gained an enormous amount of intelligence around the mineral inventory of the country, and from that we actually asked Tom to go out and peg some tenements. So he went out and pegged the ground that he thought was worth pegging, and we picked up a significant, in fact I think we've probably got the largest tenement holding in PNG. Now we're different to a lot of companies, I guess, because we're diversified, and we're not diversified by traditional mineral commodity, we're also diversified across sectors. So, you know, and our key focus, I guess, probably falls into three areas in PNG, one being power and energy, the second one being in industrial minerals, which is really focused on mineral sands and cement and lime, and the third one being traditional copper gold. Look, I guess you know, a big event for any company is having a successful IPO, which we did in September 2017. Mayur was Queensland's most successful IPO in that year. We had another very successful capital raising earlier this year in April, where we raised just under another 8 million Aussie dollars. So between the IPO, where we raised 15.5, and the second raising of 8, you know, they were successful. We've had great investor support. You know, our stock listed at 40 cents, it rose to about $1.08, and you know, I think we've weathered the sort of downturn this year very well, and we're still trading at around about 70 cents, which is well above the listing price. In terms of projects, milestones, I think one of the key things we've demonstrated in PNG is our ability to get things done, particularly get through approvals, get our exploration programs done on time, get our environmental permitting done on time. So, you know, whether it's in the power project, the mineral sands project, or the cement and lime project, you know, we've been able to demonstrate we can actually get those sort of critical consenting and approval aspects done efficiently, effectively, and on time. Yeah, look, the team is led by Paul Mulder, who's our MD and founder. Paul's you know, I would think that many people would probably regard him as, you know, as one of the most talented young mining entrepreneurs in Australia. There's no doubt about that. So we're led by Paul. He's done an incredible job, sort of as the entrepreneur and founder, in getting the company to where it is and creating the strategic picture and vision for the company. In addition to Paul, we just recently hired a CEO for our cement and lime business out of Cement Australia, Kevin Savory, a long-term seasoned veteran in that space. A couple of other key team members, Sean Thompson's our project director, highly experienced across commodities, power, mineral sands, iron sands. Matt Brown, our chief geologist. So we've got a really strong and robust team with a track record of delivery. Yeah, look, I think for investors, diversity, investment in PNG, which is underinvested and underexplored, and on the cusp of a super cycle of growth. A management team that is very invested in the company. We own about 49% of the stock. So as an investor or shareholder coming in, you know you've got absolute alignment with the management team. And look, so great projects, you know, like if you had a accumulated the NPVs of our projects on future earnings, you're looking at a business that's worth well over 500 million US dollars, and we're trading at 100 Aussie. So we're trading at a fraction of our future earnings capability. So I think we're really good value, and a strong team in a country where the government is very pro-development. As I said before, the diversity spanning across traditional minerals, as well as moving into things like cement and lime, which are more around nation-building products and power, gives investors a tremendous and diverse platform that can weather ups and downs in different commodity cycles. I think it's a good format. I like the format. I haven't been to one-to-one before. It's focused. Investors are here for a reason. We're here for a reason. So I do like that format. It takes away a lot of the noise that you can get at some of the other conferences where you've got suppliers and people trying to sell you stuff. So no, we like the format. I like the format. Yeah.